Hello, this is the first episode of Dominant Alpha Sigma Omega Glycemic Index Werewolf. Today, I'm going to show you how to break a lock with this tool right here. Ignore the smaller ones, they're not as alpha. What we really have to do is use this larger tool. But what the betas don't know is that the longer the handle, the easier it actually is to cut. And we're going to go ahead and cut that today, right now. Let's do this together. Alright, so I'm going to see if this lock comes undone. Still won't. Fuck. Okay, well, this is why I am going to break the lock. Don't try this at home, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, it's probably fine. Fuck it. Still take some muscle. Fuck. Yeah. Got it. Dominant alpha right there. Oh. Alright. Taking that out. Fuck. Got it. Oh yeah. You got this new lock here. Alright. This new lock's right here. Let's see how it goes, baby. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Alright, let's plug her in, see if it fits. If it fits, it fucking ships. God. There we go. Hell yeah. Alright, this is a weather-resistant lock, because the other one wasn't, and it did not hold up well. So we're trying this one. If you have questions, ask them in the comment section below, and I'll show you more ways to do shit the alpha way. Hell yeah, werewolf out. Oh!